Hello YouTube, thought we'd do a quick video here. There is a way that you can add remote turn on and turn off to your repeater for $13 or even cheaper if you shop around. You can get these Wi-Fi outlets, they call them. Now of course you're going to need Wi-Fi access by your repeater to do this. So you can either, a hotspot. You can buy one of those hotspots and get a cheap package for $30 a year or whatever the case may be. Or if the repeater's at your house, you can just use the Wi-Fi that you have there, and it's real simple to set up. Some of them will come with two outlets. The thing of it is, you can use this to actually turn off anything. It can not just the repeater, but you can use it to turn off a laptop. If you need to restart it, although with a laptop you got to make sure it automatically logs in if you have it set to a login password, of course. But the point is, you can hook these outlets up to any device and remotely turn them on and turn them off on your smartphone if you're out and about and you need to restart your repeater and you need to quickly do it. And they're getting cheaper and cheaper. They work really good. I have one on my repeater. I have one on like a wireless camera that once in a while I have to restart. And if I'm not home to do it, I can just turn it off and turn it on. That's kind of like rebooting it when you unplug the power from usually any device. That's how you can reboot a device if it freezes up or locks up. And once in a while my wireless camera will kind of freeze up on me, so I can just turn it on and off real quick. But here's an example of what they look like. This one here's at Walmart. Like I said, you can get them anywhere just about. Amazon has them. I'm sure eBay. This one you get two of them for $12.88, which is not bad. I think I got mine off of Amazon. It was really cheap. The app is real simple, at least for mine. The app, you can label them. I see how I have one called repeater, one called wireless camera, and you can label them. So you can name them whatever you want, whatever you have it hooked up to. It's what the name I gave it, obviously, and you pretty much touch it to the little on my app. The green means it's on. The little power indicator, green means it's on. The outlet's on. You just touch that and it turns off. And then you want it back on, you touch it again. So what I'm going to do here is kind of show you how simple this is. I got a handheld here, and I'm going to key it up, and I'm going to unkey it, and you're going to hear the squelch break. Okay, you hear that? Repeater's on. Okay, now I just tap this. See how it's not green anymore? Now we go to the handheld. I don't know if you can hear me. Nothing. Now if I want it back on, I just tap the green, wait a few minutes for it to boot up, and then it'll be on. That's how simple this is. And like I said, if you put this app on your smartphone, you can be anywhere to do this. You can be, another state away, and you can reboot your repeater or reboot whatever you have to reboot. So these are really handy little things to have, and you really should have a repeater hooked up to some type of way of shutting off remotely. If you have a malfunction or something, or it's keying up, or whatever the case may be, you can easily shut it off without having to run to your repeater location to physically unplug it. Now the outlets here, you got to kind of be careful. I think mine are rated for 10 amps. So make sure you note the amperage on the outlet of the Wi-Fi outlet, and make sure your device does not take more than that. But I think mine are rated for 10 amps. I think you can get one that's 15, or I can't remember all the different ones. But just double check the output amperage that these outlets can handle. Make sure your device is below that. Let's see the repeater keyed back up. See that? See? Very simple to use. Very simple device. It's a really neat device. Like I said, you can use it for anything besides repeaters. Like I said, the app's easy to do. I think the app had me select my Wi-Fi at the house, and then I had to enter in my Wi-Fi password, and then that was it. Boom, that was it. Done. So they're really easy to set up. So at any rate, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below, and please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.